mobile phone works by sending and receiving radio signals. The signals are sent to and received from antennas that are attached to radio transmitters and receivers, commonly referred to as mobile phone base stations. When you make a call, your phone's microphone converts your voice into an electrical signal. This signal is then digitized and converted into a series of binary digits 0s and 1s. The binary digits are then encoded into a radio signal and transmitted to the nearest base station. The base station then routes the signal to the phone of the person you are calling. The person's phone then decodes the signal and converts it back into an electrical signal. This signal is then amplified and sent to the phone's speaker, where it is converted back into sound. The same process is used to receive calls. When someone calls you, their phone signal is received by your phone's antenna. The signal is then decoded and converted into an electrical signal. This signal is then amplified and sent to your phone speaker, where you can hear the caller's voice. In addition to making and receiving calls, mobile phones can also be used to send and receive text messages, browse the internet, and use a variety of other applications. However, all of these activities rely on the ability of the phone to send and receive radio signals. Here are the main components of a mobile phone that enable it to work. HEIUEU antenna. The antenna is responsible for sending and receiving radio signals. It is usually located on the top of the phone, but it can also be located on the sides or bottom of the phone. HEIUP microphone, or the microphone is used to convert sound into an electrical signal. It is usually located near the bottom of the phone. AUEHE speaker. EU, the speaker is used to convert an electrical signal into sound. It is usually located near the top of the phone. AUTU processor, the processor, is the brain of the phone. It is responsible for carrying out all of the instructions that are sent to the phone. HEOEW memory. The memory is used to store data, such as phone numbers, text messages, and applications. HEIU operating system. The operating system is the software that controls the phone. It is responsible for managing the phone's resources, such as the processor, memory, and display.